Hello guys, welcome to the third What Are the Odds video. How stupid is it going to get this time? Follow along to find out. Alright guys, well, we're waiting while these two minions... they're thinking of a dare. Yes. So, if you haven't seen the first two of these, why don't I put up three? First two, you know, so go check out. Go check out Liam's channel as well. I have that on screen. Plug. Yep, and yeah, we'll see how bad they can be this time. I've still got flashbacks to wearing makeup around the store. That's pretty bad.
I've got flashbacks of wearing panties and walking in front of people.
That was
embarrassing.
That was a trip.
What? Whoever loses has to go to the kitchen section, one of the many kitchen sections here. Has to pretend like they're cooking on the stove, and when they're done, they have to yell really loudly saying dinner's ready. So it's not too bad. I said 1 out of 8. So I'll book it with it's ready.
Yep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1,
7.
5. Woohoo. Okay. 1 out of 7. 3, 2, 1,
6.
2. Woohoo. Okay. 1 out of 6. 3, 2, 1, 5.
2. Ooh.
1 out of 5.
Yeah, I think it's 5.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, 1.
Wait, what am I doing? Oh, what was that?
Is it a lie? 1 out of 5.
Okay, yeah.
3, 2, 1,
4. Oh.
That means
wait, who was it up to?
odds even, so your odds, so you have to do it.
Oh, I have to do
1
it?
out of 5.
No.
Oh, there we go, guys.
Alright, guys,
Ken has
dinner's
to do
about
it.
to get cooked and made ready. Alright.
Liam just hit his head.
I didn't mean to do that.
Ooh.
Actually, really.
Oh, this is gonna be alright. Let's find ourselves a nice dinner plate, or me a nice dinner. Plenty of
Stop
dinners.
leaving your clothes out, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why did you leave your little socks out?
Oh, I'm sorry. Guys, we can do a digital kitchen. Let's make it.
I don't like it. It looks stupid. It looks
Let's,
dopey as hell.
Let's add a washing machine in the kitchen.
Why
Washing
do you have a
machine in the
washing
kitchen.
machine in the
What?
kitchen?
We're
I don't
going
think there's
away.
any more kitchens.
Oh, do we want to go back then to find kitchen? No, we're going back for kitchens.
Going back for kitchen.
Going back for kitchens. Plenty of kitchens this way. Plenty of kitchens. Plenty of kitchens in the bathrooms. Surely we do like the Japanese looking one.
Do we sit here then and wait for it?
Yeah, how's this working exactly? I'll just sit over by the pots and what? Oh, I've got to do the sound effects too. Okay. Okay, I'll do the sound effects.
Right, here we go. Ken's gonna pretend to cook and serve us all
guys.
dinner.
Welcome to the Bush Life Kitchen.
Yep.
I'm live reporting to you today.
Dad, what's for dinner?
I am your damn father. Eat the
Oh,
goddamn
jeez.
apple.
Oh,
Father, what's for
Oh,
dinner?
we're gonna cook the apple actually.
Oh, we're gonna cook the apple.
I don't want apples.
Yep, that's one way to cook an apple.
God dang! That's a good apple.
is dinner ready yet, Dad?
I'm sorry, it's still cooking. The friggin' somebody ate this thing.
Yeah, someone's already bit the apple.
Dad, is dinner ready yet? I'm hungry.
Where's my food?
Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna put it in the box too. Oh crap, that's an apple. I thought it was plastic.
Hold up, let him cook.
Plank.
Like, good.
Cook.
Grabs out the hot apple.
There's
Yep.
one last sizzle for
You just grabbed the steaming hot apple and now your hands burned.
Dinner.
I don't want to hit the light. Guys,
Dinner's
ready!
Dad, can you cook it into a star for me?
Okay.
Dad, I don't want apples for dinner.
Alright,
That is,
reproducing apples.
What? Dad,
There we go, he's done it.
dinner.
I quit being your father.
Absolutely humiliated himself right here, guys.
Dad, what did you get to
Alright guys, I'm done. That was an experience. No, I quit being your father. Screw you.
Well, how you just spread out with your bag?
What else am I meant to grab the apple out? There's nothing here. No friggin' mittens. Muddin or midden. I don't know, but... Yeah, I was actually... I thought this was plastic. I didn't think it was actually metal, so that kind of scared me when I lifted that up. That kind of scared Yeah. I was expecting it to be like, oh god, look how many people just showed up. Alright, let's find a spot for the next, I guess. What?
Tis my turn to make an idea. Where are you going?
Holy crap.
Man's on a mission.
What is your dad?
What is your dare? Question dare thing.
So one of you has to go on one of the chairs, and you have men.
I don't like where this is
And you
going.
have to go roll up and down the thing for like a few times. Just roll up and down really, really
It's your
fast
turn
and
to
spin
say
on
it.
it really fast.
Oh, okay, I've got to give a
I'll do
number.
that. That's fine. I mean, that person over there is, so that's fine with me.
Alright.
So like you've got to go like all there and all around there.
That's fine, I'll do it.
Yeah, this feels professional, can I just say that? I feel smarter already.
We're in a business
My
meeting.
brain just...
Yeah, my brain just grew.
It is your turn to choose.
Alright, I think we're going to go out of 10. Can we just get back to height?
People keep giving us weird looks, I don't know why. It's not like we're filming.
Yeah, why is everyone looking at us weird? I don't know, this is professional.
It's a bit strange.
Hi,
Alright.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10, yeah. Okay, 3,
3,
2,
2,
1,
1,
2.
7.
Ooh, okay, 1 out of 9.
3,
2,
2,
1,
3.
2.
1 out of 8.
I don't know why I said 2
so
again.
if it's an even number, you have to do it. If it's another one, I have to do it. So
Yeah,
like
yeah.
8,
Okay, 3, 2, 1,
6.
5.
7.
Okay,
3,
3,
Man.
2, 1, 4.
Out of 6.
Okay, 2, 1, 5.
What was that?
What was that countdown?
I think you said 1 out of 5. Wait, what are we on now? 4? We're on 5.
Maybe 5.
No, we're on 5. We're on 5.
5.
3, 2, 1,
5.
1 out of 4. 5.
Oh no.
3, 2, 1,
3.
You have to do it.
Again?
Ah,
Even.
how does this make you feel?
Back to back.
Oh, ka-chow everyone, ka-chow. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Zoinks! I don't know why I did that.
Guys, this just makes me
I'm
want
having
to...
a spike of my mental instability.
I'm normal. See, I'm writing my book.
Because sometimes you know exactly what you want.
Oh yeah, do you guys know what you want? To subscribe.
Why is it someone's been killing it off?
Alright.
So you have to roll up and down the thing
no.
on a chair.
Why is it right when everyone walks through?
See, that just makes it better.
And you have to be stupid. You have to act like an idiot. You have to go ooh, like do the noises.
I'll be Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow.
You have to do dumb noises when you're doing it.
Wait, what chair do I use?
Use a
Any.
Probably
I don't know if I can
one
take-
that's no. Use one that's out
Yeah, I
there
was gonna say,
somewhere.
I think I should try and get this one around. I'll probably knock something or break the one.
Why is there a box down there? I think it's meant to be there. Alright, oh, this is gonna be fun. I've lost 2 of these today. I'm on a losing streak today. It's not looking good. Third time's the charm. Please get it next time. Oh, what about this one? You have an idea? What do you mean? There's a perfectly good chair right there. What about that? Oh no! What is that? Does it even like? The thing barely moves. That one's got no wheels. I'm not using that one. I may as well just crawl if I'm doing that.
Just on all fours, like car park and stuff. And everything. That'd be pretty funny. So you've got to...
Oh, okay. It moves more when you're on it, actually. Alright, this better not get us kicked out. We better not be kicked out until you do one.
I don't think I'm doing one.
We'll see.
We'll see though.
Alright, unfortunately it seems that the footage for this dare, I don't think whoever had the camera hit record, unfortunately, but that's okay. If we do another one of these videos, I'll just open the video by redoing this dare, so I guess we'll just go on to the next one. It was pretty fun though, it was very fun. I enjoyed it thoroughly. Anyways, on to the next. Subscribe.
You went so
Bro, I went, that was kind of fun though, I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty peak. Dude, this thing does not move, but when you're on it, you zip.
Gaming room.
Oh, do you want to sit in the gaming room? Oh, guys, look, I can look outdoors.
Is that just a phone? Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Damn, I'm living in the Caribbean. I've got a gaming room in the Caribbean. That's cool.
Oh, are we in Black Flag right now?
Oh my god, Assassin's Creed Black Flag.
I'm Ezio Oring. Ezio Oring? What? Alright guys, we've officially Mario Karted around Ikea right now.
Nearly just died.
nearly just crashed into that. I don't think that would have gone down well.
We're waiting for another dare.
Yeah, we're waiting. Waiting for another dare, see what happens. Should be probably horrifying. Dude, the lighting in here is pretty peak.
This is actually a pretty cool gaming room.
Yeah,
What is that though? Like, what even is that?
Wait, this?
Yeah.
What is that? Is that meant to be a bin? I don't know. Something. You say that much. What did you just do? I just heard a noise.
What is that? You're gonna make yourself sick.
Whoa, crazy.
Don't throw up.
Don't throw up elderflower everywhere.
Don't do it on me. Do it on Will or something. What?
Oh, quick guys, I just realised I left my cup somewhere. I left my elderflower cup somewhere. It was empty. Oh, it's probably. Oh. Oh, it's probably back where we started the video, if I'm being honest.
Wait, this is.
To find the elderflower. It is. Wait. Is that my one? I think it is. Okay. Guys, I got my elderflower cup. It was where we started. I was sitting on the little table thing in front of the chair. Making our way through Ikea, finding places for ideas. I don't know. I'm singing. Making our way through Ikea. Put the cup down, not forget it. Oh, I can't give it a middle finger. They tied it down. They thought ahead.
If you're gonna vomit, just don't vomit on us, please.
Don't vomit your elderflower everywhere. I keep going to say elderberry. It's flower. Elderberry. I feel old. Ooh.
Hey, what's your hat?
Oh wait.
Oh.
Doesn't look very
Really comfortable.
It's like a really solid bed.
Yeah, that hurt my face. I hurt my face really hard on it.
Guys, you want to take a crap? No, you can't.
Nearest to us.
Get your bums out of here.
Bro, it says nearest. So people have tried to do something.
People have tried to dookie in there.
I found my favourite toothbrush. My pink one.
Want some elderflower? Oh, look at this view. Holy crap. Look at that.
Gee, I didn't see that.
It's like a dog bed or something.
That's the most dangerous place dog bed.
Oh god. Oh. Hi. They're scheming over there.
I didn't know you guys were scheming.
They're scheming. I'm sorry, I'm in the bar. It's shower time.
Alright, are we sitting down to discuss it? Or?
Oh yeah, where do you want to sit? Do you want to sit on the dog bed? Sit on the toilet? Wait, do you want to sit on the kids' bed? Oh, we could go back here. We could go back here. What's in here? I don't know. Shower. Where's like a... I don't know. Where's a cool spot?
Yeah.
What do we want to do in the lounge?
You sit on the...
I'm just being dumb.
Ooh.
Alright. After a lot of consideration, we've come up with the final dare for today.
Speak louder, William.
So what we're gonna do, whoever loses has to go onto one of these beds. Actually no, both of you have to climb into the bed, get under the covers, and pretend to sleep.
Wait, how would that
Yeah,
work?
how about, yeah, both of them. So then, because it's the last one, then you both have to do it because it's the last
Yeah, but that kind
Oh wait, no, never mind. Okay, whoever, sorry, my brain is dead. Whoever loses has to pretend to lay in the bed, get under the covers, and pretend to sleep.
one. For 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
No, not
Yeah, for 5 minutes.
I'm in shoes.
You're fine, you
Look at
have
these,
to do it
look at
like
these
you have to take
twinkles.
the shoes off.
I don't want to take my shoes off. I expose my
Well, you better not lose then, Ken.
Whoa.
So what's the number gonna be?
People walk around.
What's the number gonna be?
Well, you're picking the number, so...
That's pretty bad, man. I feel like it's not that bad, but I feel like it's worse than the others. I'll say 1 out of 12.
What?
Oh crap, he's going for a large number.
Alright, yep, let's go
3,
for
2, 1.
11.
11.
Why do you go to one under?
Christy Christmas.
Alright, ready? 1 out of 11.
Oh, what a
Okay.
catchphrase,
3,
bro.
2, 1,
2.
1 out of 10. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
3.
8. 1 out of 9.
Woo!
3, 2, 1, 2.
4.
1 out of 8.
Why are we doing opposites?
No. 1 out of 8. 3, 2, 1.
7. Wait, what did you say?
I said 7. I have to do it.
Oh, he has to do it! Yes!
Alright, there we go.
There we're going for it.
William has to lay in the bed.
Okay.
You choose the bed. Where's my elderberry cup? Well, why is it in there? Elderflower. Oh, I went looking for it. Alright, Liam's doing it. He's got to go night-night in a bed. Which bed you gonna... Oh, wait, no, you're not picking. Alright. Sweet dreams! At least I didn't have to do this one. Finally won on something. Third time's the charm, I guess. Oh, I just burped. Oh, the pink one. Oh, you gotta get nice and snug. Maybe not with the staff dude there. I don't think he'd appreciate it. Yeah, the staff dude there. I don't think he'd appreciate what we're doing. I think you nearly saw me. I was laughing when we were doing the thing because this like kid looked at me really weirdly. It was like funny. Is he doing the blue one? Oh. Sweet dreams, Liam.
No.
I'm having happy dreams.
Happy dreams? What type?
I'm not comfortable.
He's not comfy. He's crying into his pillow.
Is that enough yet?
I don't know. Is it enough?
Is that enough?
Is that enough?
Oh.
No? Give ourselves a big snore.
Whoa! Oh, nightmare.
Oh, Will's joining in. Nice work. Did you have sweet dreams? Oh, the worker's over there. The worker just went around there.
Did he actually?
Yes. You didn't see. Your phone? Alright guys, we finished this round of What Are the Odds. That was a experience.
I've got 1 round, Kian's got 2, so I'm still winning, which is pretty sweet.
Yeah, I'm getting cooked. I don't know, my luck, not there. But anyways,
Not there today.
till next time everybody.
Have you been reading Pirate Princess?
Oh, I'm sorry! Guys, apparently this has a really weird texture. I'm gonna record myself reacting to
Let
it.
it brush against your face. Tickles
Yeah,
your face.
apparently it's really, really tickly.
Yeah, it is.
Oh! Don't touch that. If this was in your room, you'd be trapped. Goodbye. I think you just broke it. Oh wait, I think it goes back up. Oh, you just hit his knee! My throat hurts. Walk it off. You're a grizzly guy. Oh, cooked. What the heck?